Gregory Afoko's case. It came up yesterday.
Yes,
that's right.
Charlie, this case also again exposes another concern of our legal system.
What is it?
One person can go through one trial for 10 years.
A decade.
10 years.
Yeah.
If you started a business, by the 10th year, you should have been giving inspirational messages to the young ones.
Charlie,
right.
if you're born like your child, they go upper primary.
Upper primary.
Class
Yeah.
5.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm not going into the merits of the case. I'm just saying that it typifies the concern that we, the people, keep raising. That we should not have an instance where one person will go through one trial for that long.
And it's not like it's over yet.
It's not over.
It is still traveling.
Yes. So is it possible it could even travel into the next 10 years again? That for 20 years the person will be going through the process,
Going to court back and forth.
back and forth, the cost to the person, the psychological trauma, the family. At a point, everybody will give up on you.
Yes.
This man went in. I remember vividly the day he was arrested. He was
The supporters
bundled
he had.
in. The support that he had. I was a journalist then. I was following this.
all the trends, free
The
Afoko,
free
all those
Afoko,
things.
all
Yeah.
of those things. You know, the petitions, free Afoko, I am innocent, all his cries. You know, there were times that they will bring him to court when they take him out because he did not have access to the media. The moment they bring him out of the courtroom, he will start speaking his mind so that at least the media would get his side of the story. This man did all of this. And for 10 years, he was going through the process. I mean, no, it's simply unfair.
And it's not a small case. It's a high profile case. So if a high profile case like this is traveling, if you like, this slow, then
Exactly. You can imagine.
We don't have anything.
You can imagine that if you are,
Nobody to talk for you.
if you commit this kind of offense in Ulo and they arrest you, then you are.
The Lord is your shepherd.
Thank you.
Helen, what do you have?
But you see, there's a lesson I learned recently that in other jurisdictions, when they pick, and with your UK experience with the law, they can pick one case like this Gregory Afoko matter. They will schedule the case for trial, and if it's a 1 month period that the trial has to travel, it will travel within that 1 month, and it must end within that 1 month. But we don't see that in our jurisdiction.
There are like set timelines for...
Set timelines.
Well, we started with the election petition cases, so we have timelines for adjudication on election-based matters. So maybe when we expand it further, we'll get into allegations or cases like this. So we set maybe cases that border on murder, manslaughter, we're spending maximum 3 months to deal with. Then everything should happen within the 3 months.
So that we don't have people suffering like this.
That also will raise the concern of maybe hastily going through the process when there are more investigations to do, more revelations coming.
But is it not more worrisome that you? I mean, as a court reporter, I have sat in court countless occasions for prosecution to come and say, "My lord, my lady, we are asking for a remand of the
court
so that we can conduct further investigations."
Yeah.
If you are not done with the investigations, don't arrest the person.
Don't come there.
Yes.
Don't arrest.
When
the
you
person.
have everything in your arsenal, then we go.
Then we go. But we are in a jurisdiction where people are arrested before the investigations even start. That is not fair. Then we are now looking for loopholes within the law to continue holding the people. It is not fair.
The Attorney General, he says that this is something he will adapt, or he has adapted. Until he has the evidence to go to court, he will not mind you. When he has the evidence, he's going to court. He has so he's not going to court to ask that, oh, give me a few weeks to go and investigate, go and bring this person to testify and all of that. So I think it's worthy to be considered.
Yes.
So maybe that is also to all those who are, crying for blood. They say we've heard about so many scandals and yet we see so little action. It's important that if you are a prosecutor, you have all your ducks in a row so that when you go to court, it's a one-touch affair. The evidence is put forth, or you open your what do you call it? You open your case, you go through it, you do your cross-examination, you present your evidence, you close your case, the decision is made.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go to